So Sophie started this thing where she likes to eat away from her brother. I don't know if you guys saw at the beginning of the video. I gave them food beside each other, but she would not eat. Not until I moved her plate and her water. So now they're just munching away and I'm gonna make some coffee. All right, you guys, I am in the mood for some Dalgona coffee. I've been missing it. I haven't had it in like 4 years. So we're gonna make it today and we're gonna make it weight loss friendly and keto friendly. I'm not doing keto right now, but I do like to be mindful of my sugar intake. So by default, I like to have less sugar, so low carb, low sugar. I try to do that. I'm definitely not consistent, but if I'm gonna have Dalgona coffee, I'm gonna make it sugar-free. Obviously, you're going to need a glass where you're going to make your drink, so I'll just pop that to the side. And for the milk, you can use any milk of your choice. I just have 2% here today, so we'll be using this. And for the actual coffee topping and coffee portion, you're going to need some instant coffee. So I have some Nestle coffee here. This is, this is the Nescafe. This is the Colombian. I have a little bit left. I'm surprised I have some because I'm an espresso girl, so I was surprised to have this. And I have some sugar. This is a sugar substitute. You can use regular sugar if you want, but I want to make mine sugar-free. All right, so in a separate cup, I have some boiling water. I have 2 tablespoons, and in here, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of the sugar substitute. So you want equal parts of everything. All right, now I'm going to mix this up with a mixer. All right, I switched cups because that cup was just a little too narrow. This looks perfect, you guys. However, I don't think this is enough. I think I need a little bit more. But this is the consistency you want, so I'm gonna quickly just make another batch and then we will top it up. All right, you guys, we're ready to assemble. I have my ice in here and I'm just gonna pour in some milk into the cup. And then I've got my Dalgona mixture here. Look at this, wow. So I'm not gonna use all of it because I wanna make some for my husband, but I'm just gonna add some of the topping right on top. Ugh, I miss this so much, you guys. I can't wait. Look at this goodness. All right, you guys, let's try this out. This looks so good. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a stir. This is so good, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be a casual one. It's going to be a vlog. You guys saw this morning I did my usual routine, gave the cats some food and made myself some coffee. It's the weekend, so it's filming day. I did just film 2 videos. Everything was actually blush related, funny enough. I don't want to give it all away, but I do want to tell you guys about one thing, which is the new milk jelly blush slash lip product thing. What is this actually called? I keep forgetting. This is their cooling water jelly tint. I did just do a review of this, so I'm wearing that on my face right now. What do you guys think? It's on the cheeks, it's on the lips. So funny story, you know that beautiful Dalgona coffee that I made at the beginning of the vlog? My guy decided to spill all over my makeup table. When I tell you I wanted to cry, actually I did cry. It was in the middle of me filming my first video, so I like to bulk film just because, as you guys know, I do have a full-time job, so I can't be filming every single day. I have to be very strategic about when I film, so usually weekends are where I pump out all of my content. So yeah, I'm just in the middle of filming my first sit-down makeup related video, and you know, I was going through skin prep, I believe, so you know, I went in with like the moisturizer for the video and whatnot, and I guess my hands were slippery, so when I went to go grab my coffee, which I was excited to show you guys in that video too, like look at this beautiful coffee I made, check out my vlog, you know, I was gonna do like a shout out for this video that I'm doing right now. My hand slips and the coffee just goes everywhere. Luckily, no equipment was destroyed that I know of. I need to check the audio because it did get on my mic, but I don't think it ruined the mic, so we should be good. Quickly cleaned it up, cried a little, took some deep breaths, and then continued filming. So I actually didn't have any breakfast yet. I like to do this thing where I just jump into filming Saturday mornings, so it's kind of bad because after filming I always have like this massive headache. So let's go and find some food to eat. All right, I want to have a parfait, so I'm gonna go in with 2 yogurt cups. I have a strawberry and a vanilla. These are the Costco Kirkland ones, so delicious. And my cat is coming because she wants some yogurt. No girl, you don't get any, Sophie. No yogurt for you, my love. And I'm just gonna quickly give these two a mix so that they can mix together. I'm gonna go in with some nuts. I have some walnuts and some cashews. So I'll just go in with like a handful. And I have some washed raspberries here, so I'll just throw some on top. And that is basically breakfast, you guys. Look how delicious this looks. We're having a little breakfast mukbang moment, and I'm so here for it. I love to mash the raspberries into the yogurt. The nuts give it such a nice crunch. It's so good. It's just like having granola, but it's more of a low carb option. So I like to go in with nuts instead of granola. I forgot to mention I also like using chia seeds, but I just don't have any more. I'm so sad. I ran out, but that also adds a really nice crunch too. So I recently received this package from Skin Proud, and I thought, why not unbox it in a vlog with you guys? Thank you so much to Skin Proud for sending this to me. Honestly, I've really been liking their products. They've been sending me a lot of stuff, and this is not sponsored at all. Like, it's just gifts, and I've really been liking a lot of their products. You guys will know I love their Ice Cold Cooling Eye Serum Stick. If you've been watching my makeup tutorials, I've been loving that product. But let's see what new goodies they sent to us, and we have a friend here who also wants to see. So we'll start with this product here since Sammy is so curious about it. So this looks like it's a cleanser. This is their Velvet Cloud Cleanser Whipped Mousse Cleansing Foam. Oh, no, 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 we're not gonna eat that. We're not gonna eat that. Okay, we're not gonna eat that. Here's what the cleanser looks like. So it's like a liquid, which would make sense for it to come out as a foam. So I'm really excited to try this. Next, we have this Sorbet Skin. This is a everyday jelly moisturizer. Here is what Sorbet Skin looks like. I'm really excited to try this. I did open it and smell it, and it smells like bubblegum. Guys, literally doing anything with this child is a nightmare because he just will put anything and everything in his mouth. Like, I had this piece of tape here, I put it here, and he was trying to eat it, so I had to hide it from him. Like, you can't eat these things, you'll choke. All right, on to the next thing. I'm super excited about this. I feel like Sammy's gonna love this. This is a cute little rubber ducky, but it says here this is an exfoliating and cleansing body and scalp brush. You want to see the ducky? Look at the ducky. What is that? Oh, he's petting it. I actually don't have an exfoliating scrub like this, so I'm really excited to give this a try, and I just love how cute it is. All right, very last thing in our box is this overnight recovery body mask, which I've really been in need of. It says deeply hydrates and smooths with retinol and hyaluronic acid. Feel chilled with midnight garden and musk. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me open this up. So here is the body mask. The consistency is very interesting. As you guys can see, I'm just shaking it a bit. It's like jello-like. I'm excited to try it. It honestly just looks like a body cream. Here is the consistency of the sorbet. I think I'm gonna like this a little bit more. I'm not sure about the body butter, but I will still give it a try and see. So yeah, that's basically everything from Skin Proud. I want to thank them so much once again. Sophie, you want some? Come here. Come here. She's sleeping. She doesn't really want a treat right now. But this little one wants treats. Here you go, baby. Good job. Good job, baby. Not him literally knocking the camera over. If you guys are wondering where Sophie is during all this playful madness, she's just in her little corner observing and trying not to fall asleep. Because of her age, she's not really as playful as she was before, but she's still a little angel, aren't you? Look at those sleepy eyes. She's so sleepy. This little baby is with me with whatever I do. He's always with me. You're always keeping me company, aren't you? He's in the mood to bite. You wanna bite my hand? Oh. Oh, I love you so much. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Hi, my baby. Are you helping me do laundry? Are you helping me fold? You're the best. I love you. I have my sleepy baby here with me. He is purring like crazy, which is how you know it's time for a nap. And he's just not fighting me while I cuddle him. Like, he loves to be held. We did get him neutered middle of January, and luckily the recovery process was super chill. We just had him on anti-inflammatory meds for a week, and we just had to keep him away from Sophie to make sure she doesn't like lick his wound or anything. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And he had a little cone on so that he doesn't lick the area himself, because you don't want that. It'll get infected otherwise. So yeah, he definitely took it like a champ, and he's all healed. He's all better, which is why he doesn't have a cone on anymore. And now both cats are officially neutered and spayed, which is perfect. So yeah, that was a big job done. He just plopped right beside me and is now going to take a nap right here on the carpet. Oh my god, let me show you guys. Are you gonna take a little nap here? Right beside me? As he's growing, his beautiful like fur pattern is coming in. And I think it's just so beautiful. The stripes and like the light beige with the dark beige is just beautiful. Okay guys, so lately I've really been struggling with a sweet tooth, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been eating a lot of chocolate and candy and ice cream, and I haven't been feeling my best. You guys will know from my previous videos that I am an endomorph, which means that my body doesn't do well with too much sugar or too much carbs. Due to some personal health reasons, I haven't really been too restrictive with myself on cutting out sugar and carbs. However, I have to come to terms and admit that I have been overdoing it. What I like to do is create like an alternative, so something that's keto friendly or low carb, low sugar, and I want to share with you guys a recipe that I have been loving. So funny enough, I actually already have the batter made because I like to have this on hand for when I'm having those cravings, so I can just quickly make this and eat this and satisfy my sweet tooth before I just go and binge and eat a bunch of nonsense. This is actually a keto-friendly shortbread cookie recipe, you guys, and it's super easy. I can't take credit for it because it's not my recipe. I actually got it from the back of this almond flour bag. I got this almond flour from Walmart back when I was doing a restrictive diet in the fall. I was heavy keto, heavy low carb, low sugar, and I did lose over 10 pounds, you guys. So I'm definitely on a break with my weight loss journey due to some health reasons. I'm just focusing on mindful eating right now. So I realized I haven't been mindful with the amount of sugar I've been eating. So this is my way of trying to come into more control with my diet. So yeah, almond flour is a great alternative for those that are an endomorph who don't do well with too much carbs and sugar. This is a low carb alternative to flour, and it tastes really, really good, you guys, especially in baked goods. Weight loss is a journey, you guys. It's never going to be perfect. You're gonna have ups and downs. You're gonna have pauses. I'm on a pause right now, but that doesn't mean I need to completely let go and just eat whatever I want and just, you know, lose all of my progress. All right, you guys, I have a little shortbread cookie here. This is what the back looks like. They baked perfectly. They're still really hot, but I can't wait any longer. I want to bite into this. So let's do a taste test. So good. Look at that, you guys. It's like perfectly sweetened. Oh my god, the sun is coming in. It's perfectly sweetened. I love the cinnamon flavor, and I love the nuts in here. I honestly could have put more nuts. I didn't put too much just because I didn't want it to be too high in calories, just because almond flour is pretty high in calories. But this is perfection. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love making informal videos like this because I feel like it really gives me a chance to connect with you guys and just share my real life with you. I am really doing the most normal human things in these videos, but you guys seem to enjoy it, and honestly, I love watching videos like this from my favorite creators as well. It's just fun to connect with them and follow them along throughout their day, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of go about my Saturday morning and my Saturday afternoon. Let me know if this video inspired you to make Dalgona coffee again and do a throwback to 2020. I'm actually so upset that mine spilled all over my makeup table, so I think what I'm gonna do is wrap up this video and then go make another cup and then just sit down and get to editing. I hope you guys liked the almond flour cookie recipe. Of course, it's not my recipe. It's shout out to Walmart and their almond flour brand, the Great Value brand. Those cookies are so fire, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips on sugar cravings or just cravings in general. What do you guys like to do to curb them? I hope you guys liked the cat content. You guys love Sophie and Sammy, and they love to be on camera too. Although Sophie was a little bit shy today, Sammy was a star and he definitely took one for the team and showed you guys some wonderful backflips. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.